Number of new headlines around Apple today as the tech giant looks to ease its dependence on China. Our Dierdre Bosa is here to break them down for today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Kyle. So these are signs this morning that Apple's big bet on India could start to yield some real results. You said there was a number of headlines. Let me walk you through them. The first, a Nikkei report that Apple is moving key iPad engineering resources to Vietnam. Another report that within just a few years, India could account for a quarter of global iPhone production. And the third headline, that Indian conglomerate Tata Group is planning to build one of the country's largest iPhone assembly plants. Now, taken together, it all signals that Apple's geopolitical pivot that it's been embarking on for years, it's really underway. Diversification, though, was never going to be easy. Chinese consumers and supply chain, they have been absolutely critical to Apple's success. But the landscape has shifted enormously in recent years, as most of our audience knows. There was protests in Zhengzhou, the so-called iPhone city in China, a government crackdown on Apple devices, renewed competition from the likes of Huawei. That's a fairly new development. Now, Apple's China's advantage for many years, it started to look more like a liability. And then, of course, you add in shifting geopolitics, Washington's increasing tensions with Beijing, closer ties to New Delhi. The case for Apple to shift its own relationship has only become more important and more urgent over the last few years. Now, be sure to check out our Tech Check weekly deep dive on Apple's mounting China challenges. It sweeps it up nicely at CNBC.com/TC Weekly, along with a bunch of other in-depth videos on the biggest topics in tech. But going back to Apple, what this latest India developments may be telling us is that Tim Cook, who successfully pioneered the China relationship, is doing it once again, guys. That said, this next phase, it is likely to be far more difficult. Overcoming shaky infrastructure in the country, that's one thing. But navigating India's independent labor movement, that's another thing. And that one is very unique to India because, of course, labor unions, they don't exist in a communist China. Meanwhile, I do want to touch on Apple's market cap. It has held above $3 trillion this week. And just a month ago, guys, we were talking about a lull in the underlying business. So while it makes this shift to India, it cannot take its ball off of China, though. BofA notes China accounts for more than a quarter of all App Store revenue, and that is part of the services business, right? A major growth area for the company. So it's really going to have to thread this string very carefully.
You raised such a good point about Tim Cook, Dierdre. We forget sometimes that he did make his bones as a logistics expert back in the day. I noticed also that NVIDIA is going to be in Hanoi on Monday meeting with officials there. So I wonder if you agree with the notion that there's going to be multiple winners to the degree corporates diversify out of China.
Yeah, and I think it's happening. And there's just this idea in the last few years that what used to be sort of, a symbiotic, a great relationship has turned into an over-dependence. And NVIDIA is a good example of that, right? Because the export chips ban has added a lot of uncertainty to its own business. And even though it takes a lot to get up and running to India, like I said, the infrastructure is a challenge, labor unions are a challenge. It's a long-term goal because the relationship with China has changed so much. And, we talk a lot about the bifurcation as well and sort of two tech worlds. Chips are crucial to that. Technology is crucial to that. So two of the biggest winners there, Apple and NVIDIA, now looking elsewhere. And I think these headlines this morning, three of them, kind of tell us that those efforts are finally coming to fruition. Of course, doesn't mean that they're going to work, but some developments at least.
Yeah, fascinating. Dierdre, thanks. Dierdre Bosa today.